Hey, what's up guys? It's Akshay from AS Learning, and today in this video we'll be seeing about Tom.app, the next generation AI PPT creation app. Most of the guys use Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides for creating their PPTs for college, their company or any other work, okay? But Tom.app has few X factors which are currently not integrated into Google Slides and Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, before seeing the X factors, let's just see some of the basics or the ground things which Tom gives us. Okay, so this is what their app link is. It's interestingly, I'm seeing beta in the app link, so yeah, I think so. Maybe few changes will be there, and even in the beta version, Tom.app is doing good. Okay, so all the guys who are currently students and have .edu mail IDs from college and universities, you guys will be getting 5,000 free AI credits, okay, to do the AI generated PPT slide creation on Tom.app. Yes, just by passing the text prompt, you can create PPT slides, and it contains the images also. Okay, that is what the X factor is, which is currently not integrated into Google Slides and Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, for image generation, these guys use DALL-E, and I think for text generation, they might be using DaVinci or any GPT-3 flavor. That is my understanding. Okay, any OpenAI API must be there behind. That is what I think, but I'm not 100% sure. For image generation, I'm quite sure it's DALL-E. Okay, now let's click on Try Tom. I'll show you the dashboard. Okay, now if let's say you're not a student, okay, so Tom.app gives you 500 free AI credits. You can use this app to create your PPTs, okay, but for creating PPT slides via AI generation, so all the AI generated activities, they are in the form of credits. Okay, so that is not free, but I think for normal PPT creation, that is free. So this is how the templates are, the de facto templates which are given to us by Tom.app. More than 2 people can come on the platform and contribute in the slide. Okay, you can invite your teammates, you can share it, okay, and you can have notifications also. You can track your credits here. You can also earn credits by referring your friends. I think 50 credits are there for give 50 credits and get 100 for each new referral who signs up. Okay, fine. And they have also told what credits are. So credits allow you to generate text, images and narratives with AI. Okay, so I'll show you how to create those narratives, but let's just start from basics. So this is what the templates are given to us. Okay, side by side, what we can do is we can compare it with Google Slides. It would be also helpful. I've opened one of the slides which I created in Google Slides. So in templates are similar to themes in Google Slides. Okay, so this is how the different themes you are. You can also import your themes here. Okay, here you have different layouts. Okay, similar kind of layouts you will be having in Tom.app also. Okay, where is the dashboard? Yeah, this is my dashboard. So let's pick up one theme. Okay, let's pick up this only. Okay, this one is an edited one which I did. Let me show you the raw template. Okay, so this is one of the template which is given to you by the Tom.app. Okay, you have got so many slides. Okay, if you want to create your own layout, so you can do it from here. This is a similar thing which you do in Google Slides here. Okay, you can change your background and all those activities. Similar things you can do here also. Where is that guy? This things. Okay, now let me first show you the AI generated thing. Okay, now this is where you create the AI. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me add few slides related to fruit vending business. Okay, so fruit vendor business, fruit vendor, let me do one thing. Fruit fruit cultivation slides. Let's see how it does this. Now see, I just gave it a text prompt and it is creating slides for me. Okay, yeah, so this is how my created slides are. Wait a second, the image is being coming from the DALL-E API. Okay, so yeah, this is what the image is. This image is not so good, but at least it captured the feeling of fruit cultivation. Okay, you can change this image also. Okay, currently this is not a good output from the DALL-E's API. Okay, but this is how you got. Okay, you got a text generated also, vibrant color presentation of various fruits from around the world, some kind of a filler text. Okay, then this is one slide. So this is what I created, one slide. Okay, let me try another example. Avatar movie review. Okay, let's see what it takes for this. Last time when I think it was, I created fresh fruit, so it was a good generation. I got very fresh fruits there. Okay, Avatar movie review. In Avatar, it has shown me some volcanic thing. Okay, lush background, distance, mountain. No, it totally got it wrong. I was telling it about the Avatar movie, but it took something else only. Let me do one thing. Let me be very clear on my prompt. Fresh fruits. Let me do fresh fruits. Website. Let me do fresh fruits website. Slides. Okay. Let me be very clear on prompts. Let's see what it creates this time. Okay. Maybe this is currently into beta phase. That is why we are seeing such things. Okay, let's see. It gave me fresh fruits website slides. The screen shows vibrant, colorful website with a selection of fresh fruits from around the world. The website displays price, description, and nutritional information for each fruit. I think this is exactly what I would have been needing. Okay, and yeah, it gave me a website kind of a image. Okay, although not very up to the mark. Okay, but I feel that okay, fine, but I still feel that it could have been better. At the end of the day, I'll have to do the editing here and make some changes. Maybe this is coming from DALL-E. That's the reason. I feel that DALL-E might be a reason because of this image is coming. Let me do one thing. Let me try one another thing. Okay. Penguin on seashore. But okay, penguin on seashore. Penguin on seashore slide. Okay, let's see. Although it tried to capture the essence, the text are quite nice. Okay, but the image, I still feel that at the end of the day I'll have to scrape it only. Okay, this is what I got for penguin on seashore slide. It gave me a penguin. It seems like a seashore, although the penguin is not so good. But now let's see the text. The scene shows a small penguin standing atop a tall winding slide. Okay, blue ocean waves crashing against a rocky shoreline in the background. Okay, it is still hitting the mark because some of the things are missing. Okay, but at least you can give it the credit that okay, fine, so the generation it is trying to do, maybe with time it will try to improve, but this is okay for to give me a context and get started. Okay, now let's see some other settings which you can do here. Okay, you can do a theme setting here. Okay, this is how you can change your headings, your paragraphs, your different style, color and all. Okay, if you want to change the entire theme, you can just change. Let's say I want the ocean, so I'm getting an ocean theme here. So this is how you change the theme. Okay, now let's say if you want to add any audio, So I can do a recording here. Hey, now it is recording something. This is a recording, this is a recording, this is a recording. I've stopped it. Okay. Now I get a recording here on the right hand side. Okay. I've never seen this thing with such a ease on Google Slides. Okay. Now let me try playing it. Okay. I'm not sure whether you are able to hear it, but it is trying to say this is a recording, this is a recording. Okay. So whatever recording I did, I got it here. Now I can hover it anywhere in the entire place in my. Okay, it has some fixed points which it is designated. I think 4 corners, not in the below also. It is just allowing me in the top 2 corners only. Okay. Now this is how you can add your narrations, your settings, and let's say if you want to add any other things like if you want to add any images, text, any DALI image, video, GIF, Airtable, Figma, your website link. Okay, now let's say here in this case I don't like this, so maybe I could have just deleted it here. Here I would have added my own website link. Okay, and here I would have just pasted my website link. Let's say the website link is cryptech.in. Let's see if it picks up. Okay, I've added the URL. Tip: this web link has correct permissions for your viewers, but anything, maybe something. Let me give it HTTPS also. Let's see. I think it's trying to do something now. It got loaded. It needed HTTPS and he is bang on. Nice, na? This is a nice, my website is being loaded here. Okay, fine. Now this is our website. Okay, here we do a lot of things. Here are some we have uploaded some cool blogs also, so you can check out the blogs. Okay, few things which you can add more is you can add your Figma links, you can add some Twitter tweets, some Miro dashboard, Framer is another kind of a website where people create their own websites. That is the thing. Then we have Looker also. Looker is an insight finder tool which was acquired by Google, by GCP, by Google Cloud Platform. So you can add your Airtable links, the links to your dashboard and spreadsheets. You can add your table, okay, and you can add different things also. And you can change the layouts also from here. Okay, if you want to have some different layouts, so you can change it from here. Okay. Then some normal options. You can add your comments, you can share it, and do a slideshow. Okay. So I think overall, it's a I still feel like AI generated thing. The text is doing good. The text is really doing good. If I want a text on something, it is really giving some nice text generation. Image, I feel like DALI's API is not up to the mark still. I feel like maybe there are some other APIs also which can be used. Stable Diffusion, Midjourney and Stable Diffusion, they are really good. I'm not sure how they would go ahead, but currently it seems that for AI generation they are using OpenAI's DALI only. Okay, and even which version of DALI they are using, even that's a question. But yeah, DALI was struggling to create images. Maybe the text prompt which I give could have been better. Okay, so even I take the mistake at my end also, that my text prompts could have been better. From my text prompts, the text was being generated nicely, but the images I feel that could have been my text prompt also. But yeah, with the text prompt which I gave, it was not up to the mark. But overall, it's a good app. It is giving some extra edges over Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slides. But yeah, I think if the AI generation is cracked, it would create wonders, and there will be many people using this. Okay, so if you like this video, if you find anything useful, give it a big like, share it with all your friends who use PPTs, okay, all your schools, your teachers, your colleagues, okay. And do check other videos also. There are a lot of AI products being built on top of generative AI, okay. And do check these videos, okay. There's a very beautiful video of poised AI also, in which you can use that plugin into your day-to-day Microsoft Teams meetings and Google meetings, and you will be getting lots of insights and areas where you need improvement, okay. Okay, so there are many other videos also. Check on the channel, and yeah, take care. Peace out.